students, it's me Miss Rabia. Once again I welcome you all in virtual learning program. Today we are going to learn tracing of numbers. Yes, tracing of numbers 1 to 4. Let's start. Here is number 1 and look at here. Here is strawberry. How many strawberries are here? Here is 1 strawberry. Look at here. Here is the tracing of number 1. Let's start. Put your pencil on the starting dot and make straight line. Same is for other one. Put your pencil on the starting dot and start tracing. Also trace remaining number 1 same as we have done above. It's done. Look, we have done number 1. Here is number 1 and what comes after number 1? After number 1, number 2. Here are 2 balls. Here is the tracing of number 2. Take pencil, put the pencil on starting dot. Yes, and make half circle. Then make one vertical line. Let's try again. Put your pencil on the starting dot and make half circle like curve. Slowly and again make vertical line. It's done. Same is for other. Like this we have done number 2 tracing. What comes after number 2? Number 3. Look at here, how many stars are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 stars are here and here are the tracing of number 3. Here are 2 dots. One is for starting, second is for ending. Put your pencil on the starting dot. Start making half curve and again make half curve. Again trace number 3 as we have already done. Same is for other remain number 3. Number 3. What comes after number 3? Number 4. And how many objects are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves are here. Here is the tracing of number 4. Here is also 2 dots. Put your pencil on first dot and make straight line. Then turn it and go to the right side. Yes. Again put your pencil on the second dot and make one standing line. Let's trace it again. Put your pencil on first dot and again turn it and go to the right side. Put your pencil again on second dot and make one standing line. Same is for other given number 4. So dear friends, we have learned numbers tracing 1 to 4. Do practice at your home. Inshallah, I will see you in next video with new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.